Hey gang, it's Lita Lum. Hi, long time no see. It's been a little while since we uploaded a video about supplements. It's been a little while since we've uploaded an edited video. It's been quite busy launching our Fresh Eyes eye cream from Good Face Stuff. If you want to check that out, please do. Nootropics. I kind of did a Doublewood haul. This is this company. I think I came to them originally for, maybe it was NMN. I think I found them through NMN. They're out of New York and they have got a lot of nootropics. So I kind of did a haul. And also my husband has bought Pterostilbene. I think the P is silent. Pterostilbene, which is like akin to resveratrol. They're all stilibines. Pronunciation is not, we'll see if I'm pronouncing it correctly. But also a bunch of other nootropics, supplements good for your brain, very good for your brain. Stuff that's good for your brain is good for your body, basically. And stuff that's good for your body is good for your beauty, as it turns out. And if you like this video and this type of content, supplements, beauty, skincare, hit subscribe and click the bell button to be notified when I do live videos on Tuesdays as well as upload videos. Let's begin with Pterostilbene. Pretty sure it's Pterostilbene. I always get tripped up because of the P, starting with the P. I've linked some studies about these different supplements down in the description, you guys. And by the way, I'm not a doctor or an expert. I'm just sharing with you my obsession with supplements and information that I've gleaned about these various nootropics. I think it's very interesting, but reference the studies, do your own research. But I hope this helps you. Pterostilbene is an active constituent of blueberries, and the stilibines, like resveratrol, is also a stilibine as well. And there's significant attention to the stilibines for their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-carcinogenic properties, understandably. And it's a naturally derived polyphenol that's gaining reputation for its ability to help the inflammation of the brain, boosting dopamine and reversing cognitive decline. Basically just to fight brain cell aging. It boosts insulin-like growth factors and modulates the kinase pathways that is central to learning and memory process. It's important for learning and memory. It increases the antioxidants superoxide dismutase and glutathione. Studies about this one down in the description. And also, anecdotally, my husband has really experienced a difference in his mood and just general productivity with this one. And he's the one who bought this, not me. I was like, Doublewood, I love Doublewood. Then we have this one, which I did get from them, alpha-GPC, but this one has alpha-GPC and uridine monophosphate. I got them separately from Doublewood originally, but this has 600 milligrams of alpha-glycerylphosphorylcholine. Let's just call it alpha-GPC, and uridine monophosphate. So this has 30 milligrams of the uridine monophosphate, so apparently that's a good ratio. Certainly could take a lot more, and I've heard to have a nootropic effect that you want to have even more. And this also I'm taking for fertility reasons as well. Apparently it's helpful for that as well. I feel like there's a lot of crossovers with the nootropics and the fertility somehow. Precursor to RNA, it provides instructions for your DNA to help create memory by facilitating communication between the brain neurons. It is a precursor to the synthesis of phosphatidylcholine, which is actually one of these that we're taking also, which is a phospholipid, which is the main component of your brain membranes. Also promotes neuron synthesis growth. It's important. So that's uridine. Then we have alpha-GPC, which is also in here. And you can get the Doublewood version. There's lots of companies who use this. There's even research that supports athletic use for it. Athletes use it for peak performance and to build lean muscle mass and to provide more energy during a workout and for a quicker recovery. So there's research to that, studies down below. There's lots of studies how it's improving dementia patients and Alzheimer's patients, and even helps in the production of human growth hormone. We're talking about alpha-GPC, which is water soluble, and it increases the release of acetylcholine, which a lot of the acetylcholine is very important for learning and memory. It's naturally present in small amounts in your body. And alpha-GPC is more bioavailable than other choline sources for your brain, unlike choline bitrate or citrate. It is a precursor to the essential neurotransmitter acetylcholine. It easily crosses the blood-brain barrier. It's considered an essential nutrient because your body uses it up faster than it is producing it. In fact, choline is so important to the body that you wouldn't be able to think or sleep or do anything really without it. You like my plant? I love Monstera. Huperzine A. Now the thing with huperzine A is you're not supposed to take it every day because it has a 24-hour half-life. So like every other day, every third day, or occasional, basically. And actually, this is one that I've experienced an effect from this one more vivid dreams, and I just feel a little quicker with my thinking processes. There's lots of studies right now working with huperzine A and how it can help with Alzheimer's and cognitive decline, and its neuroprotective properties, basically. It's an inhibitor of acetylcholine esterase, so it basically inhibits the enzyme that eats away at your acetylcholine. It boosts your neuron's resistance to beta amyloid-induced dysfunction that could lead to diseases like Alzheimer's, and the amyloid affects the ATP levels in mitochondria, and huperzine protects your brain against this damage. So I like this one. Phosphatidylserine. So I got this one because apparently it helps reduce the symptoms of ADHD. I'm not sure if I feel this one necessarily, but I'm taking it. It's apparently one of the most effective memory boosters known. It can slow, halt, or even reverse the age-related cognitive decline and helps with stress, and apparently even helps with Tourette syndrome. It's a phospholipid component of brain cell membranes, and it's needed for the fluidity between neurons, basically membranes and cells in the brain, and therefore plays a vital role in cell-to-cell signaling. Phosphatidylcholine, the other one, is the most abundant phospholipid in the brain, followed closely by phosphatidylserine. Both of them is like the outer membrane layer and it's like the inner membrane layer. Both are central to maintaining optimal cognitive health. Phosphatidylserine is synthesized by phosphatidylcholine in your brain. So I'm kind of alternating. This one also helps support liver health. I don't know if you need both of these, but I got both. Phosphatidylserine really helps with nerve growth and is important for the synthesis of neurogenesis, the growth of neurons, and it also assists in the building of mitochondria. But both of these are important for membrane growth and malleability and health. By the time we reach our 20s, phospholipids like these start to harden, and memory, concentration, attention, and all of that starts to decline a little bit. Helps to repair neurons with the help with DHEA and omega-3s. They work together to help with the neuroprotection. So I'm also taking DHEA, omega-3s with a lot of DHEA. And then we have phosphatidylcholine, which we were just talking about as well. So this is also helping support your liver function, makes up the outer membrane of all the cells in your body. And when you don't have enough phosphatidylcholine, your brain cells lose integrity and eventually die. And it's derived from lecithin, but it is definitely not the same thing as lecithin. Lecithin is not an efficient source of this. It can also be found in oysters and beef and some vegetables like broccoli and cruciferous vegetables, and eggs as well. I forgot eggs. Phosphatidylcholine is used to make many of the fatty acids in your body, including DHEA, and it helps repair brain cells. So whether you need both of those, I'm not sure, but I am kind of alternating. It also supports your liver health as well. So those are some of the nootropics that I just bought from Doublewood. I definitely want to talk about some other nootropics down the line. I do have some other ones that I got from bulk supplements. They're very exciting. I'm always trying to keep my productivity optimal, and I just really like combating my ADHD tendencies, I guess. So these are very exciting. I think it's very important now for anybody to protect their cognitive health, because as medical advancements increase, we're all going to be living much longer, and you want to be functioning. If you're having your body's functioning, you want your brain to be functioning well. So it's just important, and I hope you enjoyed this. So check out some nootropics, which just tend to have a lot of other benefits besides just your brain. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're into this type of content, supplements, beauty from within, skincare, anti-aging. Generally, we're all about just living forever, if that's possible. Well, we know it's not possible, but just optimal living while you're here, just feeling good in your body and feeling good with yourself. I hope that helped, guys. Some interesting food for your brain, food for thought. I just want you to feel good inside your body while you're living in it. Have fun, guys. Bye. Don't forget to check out all of the various studies down below, and I bid you adieu. Phosphatidylserine is important for nerve growth. Phosphatidylserine is important for nerve growth. Synapse. They have significant attention for their. Can you hear Giselle snoring? So I hope that helped you guys. It is a precursor to the synthesis of phosphatidyl, which is a phospholipid that is a Cilibine. I feel like I've radical body uses it up more faster than it makes it. Information, there's clicks. And it is an essential precursor to the. It is a precursor to the essential. This one's a lot. Let's see, so PC, that's phosphatidylcholine for short. And when you don't have enough phosphatidylcholine, and oh,